Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn further application development. In the previous video, we have successfully added the data to our Firebase Firestore, which we are getting from user, as you can see here. So in this video, we will display the ads on our application. I mean, the user will post any ads and we will display it on the application screen. So for that, we have to create one function, and here on this product page dot. First of all, let's copy this auth Firebase auth, copy this or cut from here, cut it and come above and paste it here. Before this, get user address and he paste it here like this. And after this, let's create one variable query snapshot first products and make it late like this, add late this like this. Now after this, let's create the function get me data. This is the function name and open brackets, and here Firebase Firestore, Firebase Firestore, Firebase Firestore dot instant dot collection. Collection will be user, then dot doc user ID dot get dot, then and remove this, put two curly braces and add and semicolon. Instead of value, write here results like this. Inside here, set state. Inside here, get image URL equals to results dot data, and right here img profile and like this, and here put exclamation like this. So now get username will be equal to results dot data exclamation, and here write username like this. So basically what we did here, we are getting the user profile and username. Now after this, then let's minimize this get user address for location. This is the function, so click here minimize, and here just remove this function for now. This one we will create this later, remove it, no need right now. So here image state, we have this image state where we are getting user address. After this, here we have to create user id, user id equals to Firebase auth dot instance dot current user dot uid. Then after this, and click on it, here you will see this red bulb, add and null check like this. Then after this, user email equals to Firebase auth dot instance dot current user dot email. Put exclamation here and here also, both sides like this. After this current user and after this email, and put here semicolon. Now write here Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection, and collection will be products in our there dot where status status will be equal is equal to active, and like this, remove this from here like this, and remove this like this, and come here dot order by time, and then comma descending through, and remove this like this, dot then dot get, dot then remove this, open curly braces, semicolon, put here results, inside this here set state, and products will be equals to results like this, and here, and after two these brackets here, get me data, my function, like function name get me data. That's all. So basically what we did here we are getting the advertising this product from the collection of products in our database. If the status is equal to active, if the ads is active, so we are displaying our ad by timing, descending timing, which is latest time, like at present somebody post advertising recently, so we are doing it descending order. Okay, and here we are passing get my data function inside this state products, this one, this product variable where is this one, and here we are getting image profile and username. So that's all in this video. In the next video we will continue these things, so see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.